Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a neat car. It's a 1966 Dodge Monaco 500. It's an automatic transmission. It's got a fresh rebuilt 383 and it's a 4-barrel. Has power steering, factory air. The radiator's been redone. And the motor was rebuilt stock except for an RV camshaft, which gives it a nice little idle. You can see the torsion spring hood mounts. I'll let you hear it. I'll come back here to the back of the car. It's just got a nice little rumble. The Monaco was known as a grandma car with a bench seat. Well, this one was ordered with bucket seats, a console, and the 383 4-barrel. The interior is pretty original. I'm sure the seats have been recovered at some point. All the interior lights work. The door panels are original. You can see some of the trim is coming loose. It's got the original VIN number riveted to the cowl. Shows 61,000 miles. It's probably 161, could be 261. You can see the alternator's charging, oil pressure's good, running about 190 degrees at idle. It's got the original AM radio that's not working, and then a nice aftermarket stereo. The dash has a couple cracks that have been filled in with, looks like maybe some silicone. The console's in really good shape. It's got the flip up armrest. Oh, that's the 500 emblem that goes on the right front fender. Monaco 500 bucket seats and automatic, and when you put it to the floor it downshifts and the 4-barrel opens up and it's got good power. The vinyl top's in excellent condition. The car is originally this light green metallic and it has had one repaint, and if you look real close you can see the original paint and where the new paint's on top. A couple little places where it's chipping. The Mopar hubcaps are correct, and it has a fresh set of Super Sport radial tires, raised white leather. They were actually replaced when the motor was rebuilt. The motor has about 1,000 miles since it's been rebuilt. You can see they put a new water pump. Looks like the power steering pump was rebuilt. Temperature sender is new. The air conditioning is factory, but it hasn't been serviced. So that's something, if you want to get the air working, you'll need to do. But this is a very good car. You can see up here on the radiator core, it's all original. And it's not rusted out. It's actually very solid all around. It even has the original stickers from the factory, and the warranty card is in a little holder right here by the battery. Looks like they lived on Bridget Street in Dallas, Texas. 3/28/1966 was the delivery date. The battery box has a little bit, the tray has a little bit of rust, not bad. Still got the fender cowl tag. But she runs good. You can see some of the overspray here from the repaint. Let's close the hood. Got the original Dodge hood ornament. The front end, chrome bumpers. It's really a neato car, especially with the 383 4-barrel and the bucket seats. Makes it kind of a sporty car that you can drive to a car show, and you can cruise around, have fun. It actually drives really nice. It's got power brakes, power steering, everything works good. Again, you'll have to service the air conditioning. It's been winter time here. Probably needs a Freon charge. Also, the tailpipes have been replaced. It's got some dual mufflers. And you can see underneath where this car was undercoated from the factory. Not from the factory, probably from the dealership. And a lot of these cars are rusted out. This one's, because of the undercoating, the body is in really good shape. It's very solid. I did notice a few pinholes in the trunk. And some of the bushings, like the spring bushings, the A-arm bushings, you can see that they're cracked. And if somebody really wanted to take their time and replace some of those bushings, it'd probably be a good idea, because they look to be original. But there you have it, 1966 Dodge Monaco 500. The 500 was the top of the line in the trim and luxury back in 1966. But have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails. Oh, I wanted to show you the back seats. They're kind of like the old Dodge Charger. They're sort of set up like a bucket seat in the rear. These cloth inserts are actually pretty nice, especially when the weather gets hot. Let me get back and give you another view. Quarter panels sure are long on these older cars. And there you have it. Hope you have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails. Give us a call if you'd like to own this cool little Monaco 500.